Birble AI is an all-in-one dashboard that is perfect for content creators, artists, entrepreneurs, and innovators. Birble AI uses blockchain in the background, but also contributes to the adoption of blockchain technology by providing AI services that you can easily use to create your own smart contracts, your own use cases, and deploy them into multiple different blockchains. Birble has just recently launched their AI dashboard, and in this video, we are going to make an in-depth analysis of this protocol. First, let's start by making clear what is Birble AI. As I've mentioned, Birble AI is an all-in-one AI dashboard. The Birble AI team creates its own services and make them available in the platform, their own AI services, but they also gather in this dashboard some of the best open source AI models that you can use out there, as well as some of the best closed source models, all in one platform for a much easier experience. This is because they have actually achieved some amazing partnerships with companies like ChatGPT, for example, and OpenAI. Now, this is actually great because it means Birble works as an AI aggregator for the AI space, where you're almost guaranteed to find a model that will be able to get the job done, to get what you want done. And that is super useful because you can do everything you need from the same place. What is also pretty good about Birble AI is the quantity and quality of the AI models they have in their platform, which, can be an extremely useful tool for artists, innovators, and entrepreneurs, because you can create a lot of things much easier, much faster, and with a lot of creativity and originality using these AIs. But the reality is that those tools are basically useful for anyone, as long as you want to be a little bit more productive, of course, and save yourself some time. So you might be wondering, what models do you have available in Birble AI? Well, you have conversational AI models like ChatGPT and other LLMs. You have image generation, video generation, music generation, and text-to-speech. Within these models, you have several options that you can choose from the Birble AI models, from the open source models, and you also have the closed source models such as ChatGPT-4 or Soundraw, for example, because Birble does have a partnership with these companies. The great part is these models are available for free because there is a free plan for Birble with a limited amount of generations per month, of course. But if you're starting to use these solutions, if they are really useful for you, then you can always upgrade your subscription and have access to more generations for each of these models. However, in addition to these models, I think it's important to note that you have really cool stuff like the Creativity Center that you can also access for free on the free plan, where you can find models such as avatar generation or 3D image, so really cool stuff. You have the Business Center, where you can do things such as generating white papers, marketing campaigns, pitch decks, or business plans. So it does take care of a lot of that heavy work and that bureaucracy you might need to solve. So extremely useful. And then you have what is, for me, one of the most interesting functionalities in Birble AI, and that is the Web3 Center, which really facilitates, onboarding just new businesses, new use cases into blockchain, new artists as well. Because with this center and leveraging AI, you can actually create your own personalized NFT collection and deploy them on chain, for example. But that's actually one of the easiest use cases, because you can also deploy smart contracts into blockchain, and you can even audit them through the Birble AI dashboard, which is awesome. And currently at launch, Birble AI is supporting the Ethereum blockchain and Binance Smart Chain, where you can actually create these contracts and you can deploy them into the blockchain all through the dashboard. But Birble plans to expand to many other chains such as Polygon, Solana, and Cardano. They are the next ones in line. Besides this, Birble also uses blockchain in the background. They have a token that has utility within the platform that you can use to buy subscription to access some of their more advanced AI models, on top of participating in staking or in the Chainlink raffle, for example. And with the migration to the Scale AI blockchain, it will allow token holders to actually host and run these AI models to decentralize the process of running this AI in the Birble platform and creating revenue sharing opportunities for token holders and for these node operators that can monetize the AI model usage. And the more these models are used, the more these people will earn at the end of the day. Looking at competitors, we do have a few projects competing in the same niche as Birble AI, but Birble AI does seem to have some unique competitive advantages. As you can see here, looking at some of the Birble AI competitors, Birble seems to be the only one currently looking to support as many blockchains as possible and being completely blockchain agnostic. They are starting with Ethereum and Binance, as I mentioned, but they are also expanding to Polygon, Cardano, and Solana, while competitors are mostly focused on one or two chains, as you can see here. In addition, competitors don't streamline or automate the process of publishing the smart contracts directly into blockchain, something that it's actually done in Birble AI. You can do all the process without leaving the dashboard, which is awesome, I would say, through the Web3 Center. And Birble also offers many more models that competitors that usually offer 2 or 3 models, and as such you have a much more complete experience in terms of AI than with competitors. And Birble is actually not only playing on their strengths or on the models they are developing, but they are aggregating models from other platforms for other partners, and also other open source models to provide the users with the best experience possible, and to make sure as well that users know that coming to Birble, they'll have the solutions they need. They don't need to go to any other AI platform, because in Birble they'll find everything they need. These guarantees that you have in Birble quality and quantity and a huge variety of services as well to satisfy your needs. Looking at the roadmap, I think it's important to acknowledge that everything Birble has achieved has been fantastic. They've delivered this platform, they've created their own unique model, they've developed some fantastic partnerships, they've done these integrations with blockchain and creating these smart contracts, which is awesome. Created a business center, created a creativity center, the Web3 center, all in just a year. It's a lot of work to be done in just a year, and that shows the quality of the team, and how hardworking they are, I feel. What is next for Birble AI, you might be wondering. Well, now Birble AI has officially launched their platform, their dashboard, which is amazing. And if you want to know and see for yourself how it all works, just check out this video we have here about the demo of the Birble AI dashboard. But if you prefer, and if you don't want a demo, just go to birbleai.com, links in the description. And while you're down there, don't forget to leave a like. But yeah, the platform is launched, and what is next right now is the launch of their token, the Birble AI token. This will happen on the 17th of July on Jampad Launchpad, and I'll leave the link in the description in case you want to participate in the token sale. There'll be a total of 40 million tokens available at a super low price of $0.006. So the best price you can get for the Birble AI token. And of course, the token sale will last until the 24th of July or until the tokens are fully sold out. If you think this platform has potential, better to try to get in as early as you can. Participating in the token sale will also provide you with a free yearly pro subscription of the Birble AI dashboard, which should be more than enough to take care of all your AI related needs. So definitely a really cool initiative to reward early backers that immediately gain access to a subscription of $300 in value and can start immediately using the platform, which is awesome, I would say. Once again, link is in the description for the token sale. However, while you can clearly see that in my opinion, Birble seems to have huge potential, that is just my personal opinion. I'm not a financial advisor, so you do need to do your research, you do need to make your own decisions, so bear that in mind. After the launch, Birble AI will work on staking so that you can stake the recently acquired tokens in the token sale. in their dashboard, and we will start deploying some of the services that are exclusive for token holders, such as the Web3 Center. In addition, Birble will start working hard on the integration with the Scale AI blockchain to be able to decentralize the hosting and the process of running their AI models, as well as to create opportunities, revenue sharing opportunities for the community. As mentioned before, another focus will be the expansion of the Web3 Center to other blockchains such as Solana, Cardano, or Polygon, as well as the improvement of the existing AI models. In the future, we can probably also have integrations of other AI models, other partnerships, or even the development of new AI models by the Birble team according to the feedback of the community, to the need of the community and the users, of course. So that's a great part of getting in early as well, is that you can direct the development and the effort of the platform. Diving deep into the team is always super important when analyzing a project, at least in my opinion. But before doing that, I think it's important to dive here into the partners, as Birble AI does have some really impressive partners, from ChatGPT to Leonardo AI, Soundraw, 11 Labs, some amazing partnerships here. They've also worked with some great blockchain companies such as Nmaker, SingularityNet, that is a mix between AI and blockchain, Chainlink, or even Scale AI itself. Certainly some strong partners, and I think these partners do provide an indicator of the quality of the Birble AI team, of the Birble AI project, to be able to establish this kind of partnerships. Now, let's dive deeper into the team. A really important thing to note from the beginning for the whole team is that the Birble AI team has been working together for a while and doing some amazing work. Before starting to develop Birble AI, they've actually been working on blockchain and AI for a couple years, I would say, doing work for other people, like being hired to develop on blockchain, to develop AI models. They have developed DEXs, wallets, and all kinds of dApps, but also trained and developed a variety of different AI models for their clients. The team is now basically putting all the experience they have acquired over the years into developing Birble AI and creating this product directly for consumers, and that certainly gives us a good indicator of the team in terms of what they're able to deliver, because they've been doing this successfully for others for many years. But focusing on the team on a more individual level, we can see here that Birble AI has a team of 9 people, and as such, we'll focus on only diving deeper into the core team founders. We have here as the CEO Michael Weston, an experienced computer scientist, background in the traditional finance world. He has led teams and projects, and more specifically, he has led many projects inside Birble AI when they were doing projects for other people. So a lot of experience here. Then as CTO, we have Adan Ayaz. Hope I'm not butchering his name, who is an experienced full stack developer in Web3 developer. He has been developing in blockchain and in AI for the past 5 years. He has done an amazing job with the team, and that's how he arrived here to his current position. But besides that, besides these two, the CEO and the CTO, we have a core team very complete with experienced and quality people, with full stack developers, UI UX designers, content creators, machine learning specialists, basically everything you need a strong team to deliver on an AI/crypto project, I would say. You've probably noticed that one thing that is clearly missing in this analysis, and it's extremely important, it's the tokenomics. Because it's really important to make sure that even if a project seems fantastic, seems great, seems to have a huge potential, that the success of the project will actually reflect on the price of the token. So for that, we need a good tokenomics, because the reality is, if we see the platform grow, we would like our token and the value of the token to grow as well, and to compensate us for being early. Just an heads up, we are not going through the tokenomics in this video, but we are going to dive really deep into it in the future, where besides explaining you everything you need to know about the token and the tokenomics of the project, we'll also give you more information about the token sale and how to participate, And I think it's important to give enough, let's say, recognition and enough research to the tokenomics, because there is a token sale coming up really soon. So if you don't want to miss that video, don't forget to subscribe and to turn on that notification bell. Meanwhile, of course, don't forget to check that demo I mentioned about the Birble AI dashboard, and that will be here at this end page for you to watch next. I'll see you there.